Hello guys, welcome back to another one. Right now we're gonna be working with the Veloster N, the second part, because the clutch it fell, so it wasn't clicking in, it wasn't catching the gear. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how to swap your own clutch and how to get the equipment that you need. For this bolt over here in the flywheel is the number T60. So if you guys are planning to do that, you guys need the T60 screws. So in the new kit, basically you guys, it's kind of hard to find only the clutch. Usually comes with the whole kit. So the kit that I got is this one from the S clutch. This is the part number. And now basically this clutch, it came with the screws, brand new screws for the flywheel. It came with the clutch pusher. I don't know exactly which one this one's called. It came with the adapter, some grease, and this one is I think it's a stage 3 clutch or something like that. This one is a 240 mm 9.50, and when this clutch comes in, it comes with everything screwed in. So basically you guys need to lose it, and you guys are gonna get a flathead and lift it up. When you guys lift it up, it's gonna come with this one. This one is a stage, I think it's 3 or 2, something like that, and with the flywheel. Everything is racing. Obviously in this car it's completely fully bolt-ons. It got from turbo, exhaust, it got some other stuff, oil coolers and all that stuff. So it was pointless for me to put factory clutch on it since it's already completely bolt-on. The only thing that was missing was the clutch. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how to do it, and hopefully you guys enjoy it. So we're gonna be doing the flywheel. I already loosed it because they were pretty tight, but when you guys are gonna lose it, you guys are gonna get a brake bar, or something long that you guys can break it, and you guys are gonna use a socket, and you guys are gonna put it between the clutch teeth, the flywheel teeth, and over here in this screw over here. So when you guys are loosening it, this can do pressure on it. You guys are gonna see it when I tighten it in. So I'm gonna lose everything. When you guys remove the old flywheel, clean this part, and this flywheel is basically way more lighter than the factory one. Make sure that you guys don't get no grease and stuff like that. And if you guys look, over here is a hole. Match it with this one. This is the screw, and like I said, T60 right there. Alright, when you guys are screwing this one, do a cross match, and then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna screw in with the impact drill, but you need a 80-pound torque on this. Now everything is in already. When it was going in, you guys have to keep doing circles because it was keep pushing in and pushing in. So now what I'm saying with this socket, you guys just need a small socket. Just put it on the teeth and with this corner over here, and you hold it, and the other person is gonna be torquing it. On this clutch, it's gonna be going like this with the fat part towards the transmission. This one is the smallest. You guys put the tool, put it in the middle, Same thing with this. This is gonna be cross partner. On this, the pressure plate, it goes 15 pounds. I just torque it with the impact drill, and that's it. At the beginning, always try to start it slow and don't go all the way in until you got all of them inside. On these screws, on this ones I'm using the H6, but I don't think it's this one is the size. It's just I didn't, since this one it worked a little bit, I just use this one. But for this one, I don't know exactly what size it is. I'm just using H6. Now you guys remove the tool, and basically it's synchronized to go inside to the transmission. But I'm gonna be removing the clutch slate. That's what it's called. On this one, I got 3 screws. They're size 10. You guys are gonna need extension. By the way, how you guys check if this one is bad or good? You guys just grab it like this and push it. You see? If it's pushing, that means that is good. But since the kit it comes with everything, I'm gonna replace it. But you see? That's how it goes. And that's it. So we're gonna be putting back the transmission and everything. I'm gonna be doing that off camera, but when everything is together, I'm gonna be recording how to bleed it, because a lot of people, they don't know how to bleed these cars, which I was one of them. I have to ask somebody. All right guys, so we're ready to put the engine together, back together. Right now we're gonna put oil on the transmission because it has to be drained out before you guys do the clutch, because you guys need to remove the LSD. That's if your transmission has the LSD. So basically we're gonna be putting gear oil 7590. It's gonna be, I think, 1.79 quarts, and then it's gonna be on this one, on this screw, which is 17, and to drain it off it's gonna be this 24 right here. That's to remove it. And when you guys remove it, you guys need to, need to clean this screw. So the video stopped when I was putting the oil, but this is the oil that I put, this one. But if you guys want to go more technical, you guys can get one of this one, and it reads the liters. It should be 179, so close to the 2 liters. What I was saying earlier, on the screw, when we had the hose in, it was leaking, it was dripping, so that's how we knew that was full. So we remove it and we put the screw in. I'm sorry for that, the video got cut out. Now I'm gonna be showing you guys how to bleed the clutch. This is the most technical part because a lot of people, they don't know about it. I'm doing it like this so I can show you guys on the video, but you guys don't have to have it like this. You guys can do it with the bumper and everything on. You only need the air filter out so you guys can reach this. It's 2 ways that you guys can do it. You're gonna remove this plastic cap over here, that one right there. It's kind of hard to see it, and you guys are gonna use pliers like this ones. And another thing is that you guys need oil, brake fluid, which is DOT 4. I'm gonna be putting the oil now. Got full to the top already, and now we're gonna be going over here. So this process is gonna be with 2 people. I'm gonna show you the other process with 1 person too. So the person inside is gonna be pumping the clutch until they tell us that they holding it down. We're gonna squeeze it, we're gonna pull the hose, and then the other person is gonna let go of the clutch. I'm using pliers, it's easier for over here. You guys are gonna squeeze this metal and this line is gonna come out. When it comes out, before you release it, you put it back in, and so forth. I'll be spraying brake fluid through here. So in this one, it came out only air. I don't know if you guys saw it. It came out a little bit. I don't know if you guys saw it, that it went up. There you go. You spray everywhere. I'm gonna be showing you now the other way that you guys can do it by yourself. Let me get prepared over here really fast so you guys can see it. You guys are gonna need brake bleeder pump with this. I'm gonna hook my air compressor to the tool, and now this part is gonna go to that part. Okay, when you guys are putting that part in, be careful because that might break, so it's pretty flexible. So what you guys are gonna do, you guys are gonna turn on the valve and open over here. So now, right now I got my AC compressor running, and now I'm gonna open this. You don't need nobody inside. And now at the same time, you guys need to keep eye on the reservoir, on the brake reservoir. It has to be full. Okay, this way is not gonna take that long because I got a big compressor, but when you guys do it like this, I already finished because I already know that it was good. I closed the valve, but the compressor is still running, and now I'm gonna remove it with the compressor on. I'm gonna put it up so I can pull all the liquid down. Let's go and see how much we got. You see, capture a lot. This process is pretty fast this way, and it's only by yourself, but you need a compressor and this full. Another key point, if you guys are doing it with two people, when this sprays up with the brake fluid, and if it catches on the paint, please clean it. That brake fluid, it will damage your paint, so be careful with that. Some people, they just put a rag over here in the top so it doesn't get that dirty. I didn't do it because I wanted to show you guys so you guys can see it. So I'm gonna be putting everything back. After I put everything back, I'm gonna be showing you guys how it's working. All right guys, so everything is already put back together. We're ready to put oil in the engine. I need to jump it because the battery is gonna die. We're gonna start it. Okay, so before with the clutch, we put it on gear, and then when we press the brake, it was dying, it was shutting off. So right now it's on first gear, and we're gonna press the brake. That's gears. He's putting the gears. It's not me, it's my uncle doing it. So that's fourth gear. Relax. It's fourth gear, fifth gear, and he brake it, and the engine is still running. So if this happens to you guys, you guys are putting the in the first gear, and you guys brake and the engine shut off, it will be your clutch or it will be something else, but for us it was the clutch. All right guys, so you guys have it. Hopefully this worked for you guys. If you guys got the Veloster Ns, I think it's almost the same thing for the Elantra Ns. All right guys, thank you for watching. See you on the next one.